Dimitar.
£400 million are lost globally due to empty apartments and houses. I have been in property management for over 10 years. I'm owner of multiple properties in different countries, and I'm always struggling to find a solution for my problems. I was living in Warsaw, Poland for 4 years, and for 4 years, apartment close to mine was empty. Owner just lose money, as many landlords do, because they don't have a trusted partner. 59% of landlords are not happy with agency. Of course, property management is a complex, time-consuming process involving multiple parties. Landlords face late payment issues, tenant face maintenance issue, and increasing demand for property management result in poor customer satisfaction. Recently, one of my tenants moved out. An agency cannot send a person to do inspection for 2 weeks. I'm losing money, as many landlords do. That's why at Sprooce, we created a platform utilizing the latest technology to help property managers to manage the properties. Sprooce is a cloud-based platform. It's already live. We can try it at product.spruce.co. It brings free features like property onboarding, tenant onboarding, maintenance request management, and communication tool to keep all parties up to date. To use Sprooce, landlord onboard their properties, tenant browse the listing, schedule showings, and tasks like showings and inspection will be assigned to property managers based on their close proximity to property location. We bring gig economy and on-demand labor to property management. Rental market is a growing market and estimated £1.2 trillion. People will always need somewhere to live. Of course, you can stay at work during the day or do night clubbing, but how long you can survive such mode? 1 month? That's why we believe that exists a significant demand for solution like Sprooce on the market. And we believe it will be able to capture opportunity, 40 million in the United Kingdom. I'm a software technology professional. I worked previously as technical program manager for Google Cloud. I built hundreds of products, MBA holder. I'm ready to build a product for myself and society with the help of amazing advisors. Many companies exist on this market, but none of them provide end-to-end comprehensive solution like we do. Nowadays, landlords need to log in to 5 different platforms to manage their properties. Exist cases when agencies make extra profits and don't share it with the owners. That's why we are the first platform to bring a full transaction transparency, utilizing the blockchain technology. We bring a full power of API integration with land and property registry. Our marketing strategy is to partnership with landlords, tenants, and property managers through email campaign, social advertising, and SEO marketing. Our business model is subscription-based, number of properties and services provided. We plan to add additional features like repair and modernization, and we plan to partner with insurance company through a referral program. Our roadmap consists of key milestones. We launch in London first, scale our operation, and move to other cities, United Kingdom, and eventually to other countries as we continue to grow. We project that our revenue will be up to £6 million in the next 5 years based on current pricing model and projection growth. We're looking for £250 to scale our operation and expand our services. During my 5-minute speech, 50,000 rental deals were made globally. We didn't want to miss such an opportunity. Let's make this journey together. Thank you.